If you really want to educate yourself on trading, then copy and paste trading is a revolutionary learning tool previous generations of traders would have killed to have. For the record, including me. When I first tried my hand at currency trading years ago, I crashed and burned quickly. Whereas to now, you have newbie traders with no experience making money on day one. Copy and paste trading is mirror trading. It's just copying real-time Forex trades or signals from other experienced traders. When a senior trader or expert creates a trade or signal, he sends it out to his followers and or community to input into their own trading platforms and the trade to be executed. Today, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste trades using Metatrader 4 and your demo account. Stay tuned. A demo account is a type of account offered by trading platforms which is funded with fake money that enables prospective customers to experiment with the trading platform and its various features before deciding to set it up with real cash. Change with Change uses Metatrader 4 as our preferred trading application. Let's head over to the computer so I can get things started. Let me break down the copy and paste placements in a few quick terms. Market execution. That's where you're going to select what type of trade you're going to do. And that can be, buy stop, sell stop. Lot size, that's going to be the amount you're trading with. And we only say 10 cents. Now, when you go over to your EN equals entry price, this is going to be the first number you copy. And then the bottom number, TP or take profit, will be the second number you copy. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot if you missed anything. But right now we're going to get into the full copy and paste in real time method. Okay, bear with me just for a moment. I'm going to just show you how I do some of these trades, okay? So basically, one of the first ways I do it is just actually copying the trade over into the trading application. So I would go to the trade, hit trade, and then I would open up, look at the market execution, come back over, punch that in there, buy stop, make sure that my, whatever I'm gonna be putting in my lot size in, and then I would delete the number up front, and then I would just start copying the other number. That's one of the, the way, the guy who told me how to do it, that's one of the first ways he showed me. So I would just delete and then copy the number, make sure it's right. I mess it up because I got hot dog fingers. Then I hit place, trades executed. Come back over, hit trade again. Check it again. Hold it down. You know what I'm saying? Then you hold it. Then you come over. If you hold that number, it'll just copy it. Then you just bring it back to the trading application, delete the number, hit paste. Boom. There you go. It's automatically in there. Go back over, copy the TP. Delete, paste, boom. Trade executed. Super simple. Just keep going and, just put in all your trades. That's basically hit trade. Come back over. Hold it down. Copy. Go back over. Delete, paste. It's that simple, literally. And I sit here and I do this over and over and over again, complete all my trades for the day. And once they're in and they're good to go, that's it. It's like when we say that this thing is super user friendly, anybody could do it. All you're doing is copying trades that have been sent to me in our application, in our group. And then we just simply carry over those trades into our Metatrader 4, and boom, we're cooking with gas. It's simple. And we get money. Change with Change would advise all new members to start off trading with just their demo account for the first few weeks before going live with real cash. Copy and pasting trades in your demo account is a great way of getting acclimated to the trading process. We also provide coffee copy and paste for small groups where we do hands-on demonstrations of the process. For more information on scheduling coffee copy and paste in your city, text me directly at 330-642-3125 or DM me on IG at TomSwoop. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell icon on so you receive notifications of new content. To download a free copy of Learn to Trade Currency, click the link in the description. Happy trading!